On my right side, you can see the sea and a lot of resorts.
Left side doon
Yeah. This is the left side view. Mountains. And going to the right side view, you can see a lot of resorts, including the sea.
Dito sa baba. Hindi na po yata kasama yung baba. Dito lang. Pababa na po dyan.
That's the view there, the sea. Those houses there are resort, residential houses. Anong town yan, Henry?
Ano po?
Diyan.
Hermosa na po yan.
Ha?
Hermosa.
Ano no?
Hermosa.
Hermosa.
Pinanggalingan natin. Hermosa Dinalupia. Ayan, Dinalupia.
You can view on the top Hermosa town of Bataan. I lose at least 1,000 calories climbing the mountain.
From the top portion, kamo, it is about more or less 3,500 above sea level.
Andy, saan yung sayo mo na tatakbuhan ng yung drone?